To adjust the hinge laterally, you need a 2mm Allen key, a 4mm Allen key, and a small bladed screwdriver to take the caps off. First, we undo the security grub screw. Then we remove the caps. Now we can see the adjustment screws on the hinge itself. The neutral position is shown by the marks on the hinge. We can adjust the door sideways to increase the gap on the hinge side by moving the dots upwards, or to reduce the gap on the hinge side by moving the dots in a downwards direction. It's best to move the dots gradually, both an even amount, until you get the desired gap. Once happy, we can tighten the security grub screw and replace the caps.